How to install scan drivers without a CD and keep updated. Kodak Alaris scanners ship with installation CDs, but if your PC doesn't have an optical drive or you lost the disc, you can install from the web. The URL is included in your scanner box and can be found on the support page for your model. Drivers are periodically updated with new features for improved performance. Check support.alarisworld.com to see if any new versions are available and download it. By keeping your drivers up to the latest version, you will get the best experience possible. Click Next through the screens. Click Next through the screens. Now that we have successfully installed the drivers, next, load an application to use with the drivers. Alaris provides a choice of either Smart Touch or Alaris Capture Pro Limited Edition. For more information, reference the comparison grid. For the easiest setup, choose Smart Touch. Click Next through the screens. Now you are ready to use Smart Touch on your new scanner.